chapter 23, verses 1 to 6. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup runs over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me in all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Maraming salamat sa Panginoon dahil sa lakas na Kanyang ipinagkaloob sa akin. Mga kapwa kong mga bata, marami din po mga batang katulad natin ang binigyan ng Panginoon ng lakas ng loob upang bigkasin ang Kanyang mga salita at ipaabot sa ating lahat. Panoorin po natin ang video ng isang batang binigyan ng Panginoon ng lakas ng loob.